Welcome back to the iTunes family. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this Apple Watch Ultra. Now, this is not mine. This is my mom. She got it for Christmas, and so, yeah. Now, she already did open up the package somewhat right here on this end, so we can just unfold the paper flaps like this to reveal the two separate boxes for the band and the Apple Watch itself. So let's first of all, let's set the Apple Watch box aside and let's take a look at the band. Notice it's actually a booklet, okay. Let's actually take a look at this booklet. It's a very detailed manual. I'm impressed. Okay, now let's take a look at the band. Just get this loop off first. Okay, and right here we just have some paperwork alongside the actual band itself, which you can just get out of here. And this band actually does not feel that comfortable to hold in the hand. It feels a bit too soft. Though again, that's just me. You might love this band, and this is not mine. This is my mom's. Sorry, there are some sirens outside my house. Now here we have the actual Apple Watch Ultra itself, which this is the main star of the show. Oh, this shows Apple. I like how this shows Apple's coordinates with longitude and latitude, since Apple Watches will be able to measure that too. Oh, that's nice. That cable is nice and braided. And then right here we have the actual Apple Watch itself, which you can just... Michael, stop scratching the door. He is one of my cats, just FYI. And oh boy, this is a bit of a heavy watch. And my mom was really picky about letting me set up her stuff, period. So even so, such as booting it up or putting the band on. So I'll leave it to her to set up. But yeah, I'm very excited. I can't believe I might be saving up for one of these. So, yeah, as always, I'm the iTunes fanboy, and peace out.